computing. What is meant by cloud computing? What is meant by cloud computing? What is meant by cloud computing? Huh? Alle the definition no. What is meant by cloud computing? Why are you using the cloud computing in big data? Huh? Using algorithms. Cloud computing algorithms entry barutta. What is mean by cloud computing? Cloud means what? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್, ರೈನು, ಥಂಡರ್, ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಬರಿರಂತೆ. Cloud means it is a platform where we can store the data, right? So here cloud computing means for the big data, it providing any data resources and providing the resources and data to the computers on demand. That we called as a cloud computing. If you then there are the features. What are the features of a cloud computing? Example for cloud computing. What are the examples? AWS, Amazon Web Services. It is one of the example, right, for cloud computing. For what it provides an what? Huh? Google Cloud also it is one example, and Amazon Web Services. Then again, Apache Cloud Stack. It is also one of the example for cloud computing services. For what they provide an services or a resources for which we demand. That we called as a cloud computing. And here, what are the features of the cloud computing? Is on-demand service, resource pooling, scalability, and broad network access. What is meant by on-demand service? On-demand service means providing any services for what the client or demanded. That we called as an on-demanding services. Means here cloud computing provides an on-demand services. Then what is meant by resource pooling? Resource pooling. Resource pooling. Resource pooling means here cloud computing, that platform providing a resource to the multiple clients or multiple customers at a same time. That we called as a resource pooling. Here it is also one of the feature. Then scalability means it is a working in providing in any environment based on the increasing data in a system or in a decreasing data system. That we called as a scalability. Then what is meant by broad network access? Broad network access. Network means what? Network means what? What is meant by network? The network andre eno? Interconnection between different systems, right? So here cloud computing also provides a broad network access. Means it providing an access where we can access the resources from different system at different location. That is called a broad network access. And here cloud services can be accessed from anywhere at any time through the internet, right? We can access anywhere and any location through the internet. And here example is Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure Apache Cloud Stack provide a simple web services interface to store, retrieve data at any time from anywhere. So through these platforms, we can store any data and we can retrieve the data at anywhere at any time. Then there are three types of cloud services are classified into three types. First one is infrastructure as a service, software as a service, platform as a service. Right? Yeah, right. I think types. So what is mean by infrastructure as a service? What is mean by infrastructure as a service? What is mean by infrastructure? Huh? What is mean by infrastructure? Cloud computing, you already completed one subject, right? Tell me, what is mean by infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service. We are here providing a services to the hard disk or in a databases other than network connections and a data center virtual server spaces. This is called as an infrastructure as a service. Chanakyam.
Already, I have sent the link. Already you register for the event and event starts at maybe 10:30 or 10:40. Will inform all the
Who are not registered still? Register. Infrastructure. Infrastructure as a service means we are providing a service, accessing the hard disk or internet connections or databases, that we called as infrastructure as service. Then platform as a service, sorry, software as a service means what? SaaS, software as a service. We are providing the services, accessing that software, okay, or accessing the applications, that we called as software as a services. Then platform as service. What is mean by platform? What is mean by platform? What is mean by platform? Not railway platform. What is mean by platform in computer science? Where any hardware or any software can run or execute, that we called as platform, right? So we are here we are providing the platforms for developing an applications. Silence. For developing an applications and executing the application, that we called as platform as a service. These are the types of cloud services. What is infrastructure as a service, software as service, and platform as a